Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. And today we having the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. In this course, I'm covering the week 1 assignment solutions. So please subscribe the channel first and hit the like button for the more videos you get on time and get notification on time. So that the first question, which statement best captures this case study is about the programming beyond coding, why every professional can benefit. So if you want to read this first, you can read out, and I have already did it. So I just come to the first question, which statement best captures the professor's reason for learning programming despite the availability of many applications. So in this, the answer is programming enables people to create, improve, and customize solutions beyond exciting application. Then question second, according to the professor, why have multiple programming languages evolved over time? So different languages were designed to solve different types of problems and improve programming. Then in this, second option is correct. Then third question we having, so what was the primary purpose of the hand gesture classroom activity? To demonstrate that programming involves giving clear instruction using agreed upon symbols. Then fourth question, according to the professor, what is the most effective way to become proficient in programming? Practice regularly, stay motivated, and learn gradually through small steps. Then, which conclusion would Ria most likely draw after attending the session? So, programming is a problem solving skill that can benefit people across many disciplines. So the first option is correct. Then another case study, teaching a robot efficiently, the power of loops. So in this small case study, we having another questions like, why did the second student recommended using a loop instead of writing every movement instruction separately? So loops allows repeated actions to express with fewer instructions while preserving the same behavior. Option 1 is correct. Then come to the seventh question. I am the improved program. In the improved program, what is the primary purpose of using variable for the travel distance? So in this, to allow the distance to change automatically after each repetition. Option second is correct. Then we having eight question. The instruction later replaces the fixed starting distance with another variable. What is the main advantage of this change? So the main advantage of this change is the same program can easily be reused for different starting distance without rewriting the logic. Ninth question. Suppose the student removes the statement that updates the distance variable, which update the distance variable inside the loop, which outcome is most likely. So the robot will continue repeating the same movement distance in every round. Option A is correct because so will continue repeating the same movement. Then, which statement best summarizes the role of looping in programming? So, loops help automate repetitive tasks and makes program easier to modify and maintain. Option C is correct. Then another case is studying understanding a Scratch program. 11th question, which Scratch block determines the direction of the sprite before its final movement of 10 steps? So point in direction 90-degree option is correct. Then with what is the purpose of turn 15-degree block in this program? It changes the sprite's direction before the second movement. it means option A is correct. Then suppose the point in the direction 90-degree block is removed while keeping all the other blocks unchanged. Which statement is most likely to be true? So in this, the final movement will continue in the direction established by the earlier turn. Then 14th, which sketchbook in the program only changed the spirit's position and never its direction? So the 14th solution is all the three move blocks. And in 15th one, a student accidentally swaps the position of the turn 15 degrees block and the point in the direction 90-degree block. What is the most likely effect? So in 15th, the final movement will occur after turning 15 degree from 90 degree, producing a different path. Then another case study evaluating a scratch based game scoring system. So in this, the 16th question, why does the program use the expression counter mode 2 equals to 0? So in 16, to check whether the current road is even, which variable is updated in every iteration of the repeat loop regardless of the outcome of the if else condition? Both score and counter. Option 4 is correct. Then we having 18 question. What is the purpose of a statement change score bonus? Score bonus placed after the repeat loop. So the answer is it adds the total bonus accumulated during all iteration to the final score. In the 19th one, suppose the statement change scores by bonus is moved inside the repeat loop immediately before if the condition, what would be the most likely effect? So the answer is the final score would become much larger because the bonus would be added repeatedly. And the last question we having, which statement best describes how the Scratch program decides which message to display? So in this, we having the solution. The program first computes the final score and then checks the score against the condition in order. I have completed the whole assignment and give you the whole solution for the next week, means week second or assignment second. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and thank you for watching.